Hi friends, it's Kim with Sweet Daisy Creations. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Well, today I'm in my bathroom and I'm going to start working on the wallpaper, so I thought I'd share that with you. I do have my Wagner Pro steamer that I purchased, and if you can hear in the background, it is getting ready to steam. It's not quite ready yet, but it's the Power Steamer 715. Hopefully it's going to work. Anyways, so we got to get this wallpaper down in this bathroom for my, to get ready to sell this house. And anyways, let me get up and kind of show you all the wallpaper I've got to remove. Oh my God, it's everywhere, y'all. And I'm going to kind of tell you about the other stuff we're doing too. So let me turn it around so you can see. All right, so the bathroom is pretty large, actually. It's a good sized bathroom. That's the master closet back there. We have this long thing of sink space, long counter, and why they put the sink so far to one side, and maybe didn't pull it over a little bit further this way, I don't know, but that's how it is. They've got like your, makeup station here in the middle, and then the other sink on the other end, and then cabinets and drawers, and drawer there, and drawers, and then more. This is all going to be repainted inside and out. She said we could leave the mirror. Hi everyone. We're going to replace those lights, those ugly lights. Those are going to be going on both sides. And then there's wallpaper, as you can see, everywhere, all up above there, right here, up above there, even up there above the shower. And then down here beside the shower. Now the shower here, we're going to replace the door and get it like polished nickel, I guess it's what it's called. We're going to have the tile recaulked. We're going to recaulk around the bottom of the shower pan and then clean up the shower pan real good. I did clean it, but it could use some more. Replace the faucet in here and the shower head. And then over here at the jacuzzi tub, all these little things have turned yellow over time. We've lived here, 16 years. And so those all have to be replaced. The faucets, that, down there, that. The towel racks, which are gold, got to replace those. And so the wallpaper is all over here, even above that window, look. Right above that window, there's wallpaper. And right behind that curtain, there's wallpaper. And there's wallpaper here and there. Inside the toilet area, there's wallpaper all throughout here. So it's a lot of wallpaper. So I'm going to check my thing. It's not pushing out any steam yet. There's the Power Pro steamer. It has, here where you put the water in, then you tighten that up real good. You tighten this on the side real good. Oh, I hope that's tight. And then it's got the hose, and I'm just going to use the smaller steamer first. It does come with a bigger one that's right here. I think we're about ready here. And here's the scorer thing that scores the wallpaper. I've got a putty knife and another thing. And we'll see how it goes. I think this is just about ready, so I'm going to set you down right here. So maybe you can watch while I try this for the first time. We'll see. I did get a little bit of wallpaper off. I think I told you all about that with my hand steamer. So I think this is getting close to being ready. I just hope I have it tight enough. Okay. All right. It sounds like it's close. I guess it'll start pushing out steam when it's ready. It's got kind of a long cord. It's not, a long hose. I'm just going to see how this goes. I think you're supposed to hold it like 10 or 20 seconds in a spot, I want to say. Is how long you're supposed to hold it. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to get my putty knife in case I need it. Can y'all see me? Okay, I hope so. So let's see what's going on here. It's bubbling, so it should be pushing out some steam here in a second. I hope. It said about 15 minutes total to get it ready. But it's, well, here we go. I hear it coming. Let me put it on there and see what happens. I'm going to sit down on the floor while I'm doing this. Take my knife and see what's coming up. Not quite yet, so let's hold it on there a little bit more. I might have wanted to have gloves. This is kind of hot. See if that's going to come up. Yeah, I think I may need to hold it a little longer so it seeps all the way through. I mean, I've got the, this is all scored. You can't probably tell, but I've got this all scored. Maybe I haven't held it long enough. And I can see there's water down here on the floor already, so it does take, it makes a mess when you're doing this. And this is hot. The steam's coming out like the sides. Let me see now if it's better. It's starting to come up. But it definitely, when I was doing it with my other one, like you can peel it off, some of it. You gotta get down to that glue level. And over at the edges is where it's the hardest, I think, to get it off. I have a mess to clean up. I should probably have a trash bag in here. It's kind of hot. You see around the edge here, it's a little hard to get it off. Hold it while I do this side. So I'm trying not to get any gouges in my sheetrock. I gotta get this edge. Looks fun, doesn't it? It would take a long time doing it with this little one, but I'm in this small spot here, so that's why I thought I'd use a smaller one right now. Wow, it's hot. Oh yeah, that's coming off lickety split right there. Look at that. It's gonna be a long job, that's for sure. You can hear it making that noise. And it's making water on the ground, so. It's coming off though. This is the gluey part. I'll have to wipe that off with a paper towel probably while it's wet to get the glue off. But I can see the steam's all the way up here. the way it's been shooting. This is about as fun as watching paint dry, it doesn't. We score it so the steam gets all through the wallpaper. You see how that's coming? I can almost just pull it so it's hot. What a mess. Okay, I'll do this little bit of an aerial and then I'll let y'all go, but I just want to show you, I might need to use the bigger thing because it might cover more space. I just thought over here in this area it might be easier. It's making a lot of steam. I think you have to hold there the appropriate amount of time to get it to steam all the way through to the, you know, the place where it's glued. It almost feels like it's 2-ply, you know. Let me see if I can get any of this up. That paper's stuck to my thing. It's coming. It's going to be a slow process, and I do have a lot to do. Ugh. It's Well, I just wanted to show you how this goes. I'm going to continue working. So let me turn you around here. I'm going to continue working on this, and hopefully at some point I'll have it all done, but it's going to take days on days, I think, to get done. But I was just going to work on it a little bit today. I've got to go and get some dog food for the dog, and I have to run to the grocery store, so I can't do all of it today or spend 8 hours on it today. But anyways, just thought I'd show you what I'm up to. Isn't this fun? Anyways, y'all take care. Mwah. I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.